In this video I am going to show you how to easily get verified on Facebook without being a celebrity or having so much followers. If you are new to my channel, I am KGA and I create contents just like this one you are about to watch, so be sure to check them out too. Before we begin, please note that, first of all, you need to log in Facebook on your Chrome browser and not on the Facebook app. I'll explain later why you shouldn't use the app. Let me show you how to log in Facebook on Chrome. Open the Chrome browser and right up here at the top, you will see this three dots. Click on it and then with a drop-down menu, you will see desktop site. Click and make sure it's selected. Then go back and search web.facebook.com. Then log in your Facebook account. So everything that I will be doing here on the system will be exactly with what you are doing right there on your phone. To begin, click on your profile right here. And while you are here, click on this three dots, then scroll down and click on Meter Verified. You may also see something like, show that your profile is verified. It's still the same thing, so click on it, and it will take you to Account Center on Facebook. This is how your account will look after you've been verified. There are 4 benefits that you will get with a Meter subscription. First of all, you'll get a verified badge. Protection of your account. Get supper when you need it. And lastly, you will get unique stickers. Moving on. These are the eligibility requirements for you to be verified. You need to be 18 years old. Have a profile picture on your account. Must be using your real name on Facebook. Submit a selfie video and a government-issued ID. So let's move on. Now, what is Meter Verified? Meter Verified is a paid subscription that is available for eligible profiles on both Facebook and Instagram. So you can either subscribe with a single profile or with the 2 profiles. However, my Instagram is not eligible yet, so I will just go with the Facebook only. Click on Sign Up. Now this is where you will pay to get verified. But before we do that, earlier in this video I promised I was going to show you why you shouldn't use the app to sign up. So here is why. If you're using the Facebook or Instagram app, the subscription costs $14.99. However, if you were using the web version of Facebook or Instagram, just like I'm doing here, it will cost you $11.99, which will save you money. Then after that, if you are a Nigerian, you will be paying $3,800 per month, as at the time this video has been made. So let's proceed. Now this is where you can add your payment method. I will cover my bank details now. When you are done, then select your country. And lastly, click on subscribe. It may take up to 48 hours for you to be verified. Bonus tip. Also your card may be declined, so I advise you use a dollar account. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my recent video under the related video showing on the screen now. Thanks for watching.